Good afternoon. This is Marius van Bergen from COBstr. We have a very interesting innovation this year for you. Nobody else can make this product. I don't care if Apple or Samsung say they can do this. It's a lie because they can't. What we started to do about 10 years ago was called COB. Other companies claim they can do it. It's our invention. Basically, it means that you have no more package on the front of your LED panel. So this takes away the vulnerability of your pixel pitches. That's what we started doing 10 years ago. We have made the next move. It's disruptive technology, because now if you look at the back of a LED panel, you still see a vulnerability. You still see there are pins on the ICs that drive the LEDs. In this new step, this disruptive step that we have made, we have gotten rid of the ICs. So what we have developed is a product called COC, which is a chip on a chip. This is the product. It's what it looks like. It's a flexible LED foil. Other companies will show you similar things which will break if you do this about 10 times. We have not one single pin on this product. There's a flip chip and there's a flip IC, which means basically that I can start using this in glass, in the layer in between two pieces of glass, and start making facades. The other thing I can do with this product is actually wallpaper with LED. I can show any content I want. Unfortunately, the content is not, we are not able to show it because the coronavirus made things difficult for us. But basically, we can also have a brightness of 10,000 nits with this product, which nobody else can basically do. Any content that you want. This is the module size that we make at this point. But we will be working towards a 1 meter by 25 centimeter product by 6 months from now, and from there on we will be making rolls of it and then you can basically cut any piece with a scissor and start putting display at any place that you want, anywhere, anytime. This was Marius van Bergen for COBstr, COBstr.com, like lobster but then with a C, COBstr.com, and we're very pleased to give you any information if you have any questions. Thank you very much.